Tee&Kay again. So today we'll be making for you chicken pasta.
And these are the ingredients needed: your grated onions, your salt, your seasoning, your diced carrots, your green pea, your spring onion, green bean, grated pepper, shredded chicken, your chicken stock, your oil, your blended pepper, your boiled pasta, your tomato paste, ginger powder, and all-purpose seasoning. Add your vegetable oil. Okay, then add your grated onions, then your grated pepper, then your grounded pepper. Then next up your carrots. And then your green pea. Then you stir everything, so you make sure that everything I put in the pot stirs together. Chicken stock, your shredded chicken, then cover it for 5 minutes. You add your seasoning. Then our all-purpose seasoning. Add your spring onion. Then your green pea bean. Always ensure you stir properly so the seasoning can mix very well. Leave it for 5 minutes. Now we're adding our pasta to the sauce. Now we are stirring it up so the ingredients can go all around. Chicken pasta is ready. Look at how beautiful it looks, and I'm sure it's going to taste nice. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more creative skills like this, visit www.skooqs.com. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Bye!